Hi guys, let's have a look at Beaver Lake over a couple of days, Wednesday, January the 24th and Saturday the 27th. Wednesday was a beautiful day. Nice clear blue sky. You can see it reflecting in the little puddles of water all over the lake there, because again it was quite mild. Here we are looking straight down, probably about, I don't know, 3 or 4 meters above the surface. Turning around, that's County Road 41 there, and the boat launch in a few seconds, right there. Here we are in North Beaver Lake. Conditions are pretty much the same. Again, this is on Wednesday, the 24th. Starts to look like the surface of the moon when you look down on it. A lot of air pockets, it looks like, frozen into the ice. I was wondering if someone could make a comment down below and let us know what it's like actually to chip away at some of that stuff. Here we are on North Beaver Lake again, turning around towards County Road 41 in the distance there. There's a nice ice hut right in the middle. And here's the channel between South Beaver Lake in the background and North Beaver Lake in the foreground. Looks a little more frozen than it was earlier. Now, Saturday, quite a different day than Wednesday. Very overcast, lots of rain on and off through the day. A lot more surface water on the lake. This trailer looked a little tipped forward, but I think that's just the way it was configured. Lots more of those air pockets there. Hey, if you have any insight into what those are actually like in terms of ice thickness or ice strength, I'm sure people would love to hear about it. Just comment down below. That would be great. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below.